Hello everyone, I'm Dion from DionVideoProductions. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install new fonts to Final Cut Pro. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is find a font that you'd like to download. Now there's many different websites to download fonts from. There's a few that I recommend, including Google Fonts, 1001 Free Fonts, and finally deffonts.com. Now before you download and use any fonts, be sure to check the licensing agreement, as some fonts will require you to pay in order for them to be used commercially. Once you've found a font, in this case on Google Fonts I found Railway. I particularly like the thin version. We're going to go ahead and download this by pressing the download button. After this, the font will be downloaded to your computer, and we're going to go ahead and open up a new Finder window. Click on Downloads, and we'll find the new font listed here. This folder will be named after the font, in this case Railway. Inside this folder you'll find various documents, including a README file, but the documents that are of importance are these TTF files. As you can see, we have two of them, and these contain the actual font itself. Now how do we install this onto our computer? Well, for this we're going to have to launch a new application, so let's press Command Space to bring up Spotlight, and in this case search for Fontbook. And let's launch that. Inside Fontbook, you will find all of the fonts installed on your computer, including your system fonts, as well as fonts that you have installed yourself. Now to add a new font, we're going to go ahead and press the little plus sign. And then under Finder, we'll click on Downloads, Railway. And again, we're going to click on these TTF files. Now in this case, we have multiple of them, so we'll want to install both. Now to do this, we're going to click on the first one, press and hold Shift, click on the second to select both, and then we'll click on Open. And instantly the font has been added. As you can see, this will now be listed under the user fonts, and in here you also have a preview of all of the different variations of the fonts. Now the number of variations will depend on each font. In this case Railway has quite a few, but this is a great way to preview which versions of the font you already have in case you want to add more or see what you've installed. So now that the font has been installed onto our system, we can use it in Final Cut. But before we continue, I hope you're enjoying this tutorial so far. If you'd like to see more videos like this, I have a full Final Cut Pro playlist to which I add every week. I'll leave the link to that in the description. Alright, so here we are in Final Cut. Now in this case I have a very simple project. I've got a couple of example clips here, and let's go ahead and add some text. So we're just going to go into our text menu and let's search for a custom. Go ahead and drag this over the clip as we would with any other title. And then in Inspector, let's go ahead and type something else. Let's say new font. There we go. All right, now here's the moment of truth. We're going to go under the fonts menu here, and let's press R to search for Railway. And there it is. As you can see, Railway has now been added, and also, of course, all the other configurations of the font have been added and work seamlessly in Final Cut. Now, one of the nice things is, now that this font has been installed onto our system, it will not only be accessible in Final Cut, but also to all apps on your computer. So from here, we can customize this as we would any other text, and I think this is a great way to add some more personality to your video and also your brand. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. If it's been helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching.